Chapter 1, Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. Table of Contents, Understanding Compiler and Interpreter. Introduction to Python Programming, your first program in Python. Understanding Compiler and Interpreter. Compilation versus interpretation. Computer programming is an act of composing the selected programming language's elements in the order that will cause the desired effect. The effect could be different in very specific case. It's up to the programmer's imagination, knowledge, and experience. There are two different ways to transform a program from high-level programming language and into machine language. Compilation. The source program is translated once. However, this act must be repeated each time you modify the source code. By getting a file example, AX file in the code is intended to be run under MS Windows, containing the machine code. Now you can distribute the file worldwide. The program that will perform this translation is called a compiler or translator. Interpretation. You can translate a course program each time it has to be run. The program performing this kind of transformation is called an interpreter. As it interprets the code very time it is intended to be executed. It also means that you cannot just distribute the source code as if because the end user also needs the interpreter to execute it. Advantages and disadvantages of compilation and interpretation. The advantages of compilation. The execution of the translated code is usually faster. Only the user has to have the compiler. The end user may be used the code without it. Translated code is stored using machine language, as it's very hard to understand it. Your own inventions and programming tricks are likely to remain your secret. The advantages of interpretation. You can run the code as you complete it. There are no additional phases of translation. The code is stored using the programming languages, not the machine one. This means that it can be run on computer using different machine languages. You don't compile codes separately for each different architecture. The disadvantages of compilation. The compilation itself may be a very consuming process. You may not be able to return code immediately after an amendment. You have to have as many compilers as hardware platform you want the code to be run on. Disadvantages of interpretation. Don't expect the interpretation will ramp your code to high speed. Your code will share the computer's power with the interpreter, so it can't be a really fast. Both you and the end user have to have an interpreter to run your code. So what does this all mean for you? Python is an interpreted language. This means that it inherits all the described advantages and disadvantages. Of course, it adds some of unique features both sets. If you want to program in Python, you'll need a Python interpreter. You won't be able to run your code without it. Fortunately, Python is free. This is one of the most important advantages. So what is Python? Python is widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming languages with dynamic semantics used for general-purpose programming. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, born in 1956 in Haarlem, the Netherlands. Of course, Guido van Rossum did not develop and evolve all the Python components himself. The speed with which Python has spread around the world is the result of the continuous work of thousands, or very often anonymous programmers, testers, users. Many of them aren't IT specialists. Python goals. In 1999, Guido van Rossum defined his goals for Python. An easy and intuitive language just as powerful as for those of the major competitors. Open source, so anyone can contribute its development. Code that is understandable and in plain English, suitable for every task, allowing for short development times. The first program in Python. So let's open a compiler and let's run and let's print hello world. So let's print hello world. Open and close parentheses. Then run it. That's all.